this video, we'll see how to combine like terms in expressions. So like terms have the same variable, and those variables are raised to the same power. So in this expression here, 14m plus 9 minus 8m plus 7, I have four terms: 14m, 9, negative 8m, and 7. Those are my four terms. My like terms are 14m and negative 8m. It's always a good idea to circle the sign that comes in front of the terms to help you identify whether they're positive or negative. And then my other terms are a positive 9 and a positive 7. So in order to combine my like terms, I want to add up my two terms, 14m and negative 8m, together. So 14m plus negative 8m gives me positive 6m. And 9 plus 7 gives me positive 16. Because this 16 is positive, I want to put a plus sign between these two terms. So the expression 14m plus 9 minus 8m plus 7 simplifies to 6m plus 16. Next, we have an expression 6a plus 5 minus 3c minus a plus 2 minus 8c. This term has this expression, has six terms in it. And my terms are 6a, 5, negative 3c, negative a, 2, and negative 8c. So again, I want to identify my like terms. Like terms have the same variable and are raised to the same power. So 6a is like with negative a here. Negative 3c is a like term with negative 8c. And positive 5 is a like term with positive 2. So I want to combine my like terms. First I'll take 6a minus a. Remember, there's the understood 1 that is here with the a as the coefficient. So you can think about this as 6a minus 1a, or 6a plus negative 1a. Either way you want to think about it, you still get 5a. Then I have negative 3c plus negative 8c. Negative 3c plus negative 8c is negative 11c. Because it's a negative, I want to put the subtraction sign between the 5a and the 11c. And then finally, positive 5 plus 2 gives me positive 7. So because it's positive, I'm going to add the plus sign between those two terms. So I started with an expression that had 6 terms, and I simplified it, so now it only has 3 terms. In our last example here, we see that each term has x as a variable, but some of them are raised to different powers. And like terms have to be raised to the same power. So when I identify my like terms here, 4x squared is not a like term with every other term here. It's only a like term with negative 11x squared. And then my other like terms are going to be positive 3x and positive 9x. So I start here with 4 terms, and I can simplify this to 2 terms. 4x squared minus 11x squared is negative 7x squared. My variable stays the same, it does not change. And my power also stays the same with that variable. Positive 3x plus 9x is positive 12x. Again, this is a positive term, so I'm going to put the plus sign in between these two terms. And that is how you simplify expressions by combining like terms.